Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to do a May favorites. And I know it's not fully the end of May yet, but I have not done a monthly favorites in so long. So I want to catch up on some products that I've been really loving. I know that we usually do PR hauls and then PR grims and all, I call it grims. I don't know why I do that, but get ready with me. But I kind of want to like switch things up and create like more variety every Saturday for you guys. We still are going to do PR unboxings and everything, which will be next weekend, and then the weekend after that we'll do like most likely a PR get ready with me of the products that I opened, but I just feel like it would be good just to kind of switch things up a bit and also just really give you guys some good reviews of products that I have been using and that I've been loving. So that's what we're doing today. Give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you're brand new. If you love mommy and lifestyle content, make sure to subscribe over to my Life of Maddie channel. I upload there every single Sunday at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So that one is like vlogs or like nursery must-haves, baby must-haves, like all those things, all the products that I use for the girls, I share over there. So make sure you subscribe there. And let's go ahead and get into my monthly May favorites. Okay, so we're gonna start off with lifestyle because I don't have that many. We mainly have makeup, and I'm gonna show you guys application clips to everything for makeup so you guys can see it applied and all that stuff. But to start off with lifestyle favorites, the first one that we have here is this guy. Look at how pretty the pink of this cup is. Oh my God, it was such a good find at Marshall's. So this is from a brand called Hydrapeak. I've shared this a lot on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you are. It's Madison Miller. But I share this a lot on there, and you can actually get it on Amazon for like 40 something bucks. But if you find it in Marshall's, and I think people even said they saw it at TJ Maxx for like $16. It's amazing. It's basically your Stanley Cup knockoff, and it's awesome. It's like a Stanley Cup Simple Modern knockoff because the top reminds me of a Simple Modern because it has that like leaf proof top that the Stanley Cup doesn't have. But the handles and stuff kind of remind me of the Stanley Cup. But I thought this is such a good little dupe. They have the prettiest colors over there, you guys. Like they have really pretty purples and blues. And I just think the colors that they have are perfection. So definitely check them out. I'm going to have them linked to the Amazon store down below. But I would definitely recommend going to a Marshall's or a TJ Maxx and seeing if they have these ones in stock. It is 40 ounces and it has that stainless steel on the inside, and also with the way that this lid is, it's more insulated, so it actually keeps your ice longer. Like literally this ice that I have in it was from yesterday. I kid you not. I filled this up last night and it still has ice in it. So it's awesome. It's great, and it's a lot cheaper than the Stanley Cups. So another lifestyle favorite that I have here is actually my skirt. I'm gonna stand up so I can kind of show you guys. But it's basically just a style of skirt. As you guys know, I'm really into pickle. I'm really into all that stuff. If you're very active, and honestly, these skirts are just cute for every day too. If you're like an active wear girl, you would love these. These are from Lululemon. And this is the like high rise, like court side skirt. They come with like the shorts underneath. But this one is so cute. It's got this really pretty pastel to it, and I think it's adorable. So I'm always checking the app on Lululemon because they have new launches there before they launch it on their website. And I am obsessed with the courtside skirt. I'm gonna have it linked down below. They have in so many different colors. Another great place to shop them that I like is Poshmark, where you can get them for a discounted price, which is amazing. But I live in these for pickleball, and even just like every day too. Like these are for the summertime. So comfortable. I can run around, I can chase after the girls, and they fit so well. And I wear them with the Ebb string tanks that I also get from Lulu. This one is in a really pretty like pinky peach color, which I thought went really well with the skirt. Like you guys, I legit like had this whole idea of like my outfit in mind, and I was like, I'm gonna put it with a white like, you know, tank. But then I looked in my closet and I was like, oh wait, I have a really pretty like pinky peach color that would go perfect with this. And it made me so happy. But these are my favorite skirts. I share them a lot on Instagram, and I get a lot of questions asked whenever I go to the courts. I'm always getting either like oh my God, I love your skirt, or where'd you get it? So they are bomb. They are super, super comfy. For my last lifestyle favorite is a drink. And you guys, like Ross got me hooked on these. We went to Costco the other day, and he was telling me that everyone is drinking this like Lemon Perfect hydrating lemon water. And I'm like, okay, let's get it. And now I am hooked. Oh my gosh. When I drink a lot of water out of my like, you know, my tumblers and stuff, but sometimes I'm just like, I just don't want water. I want like a different taste. This is a great option. It's basically 0 sugar. This one is kiwi star fruit. They're organic, delicious, and refreshing. What I really like about them is that they only have 5 calories in the whole bottle. There's 0 total sugars. There is 0 added sugars, and there's 20 milligrams of potassium and 90 milligrams of vitamin C in it. So I just think these are so stinking good. So if you see them anywhere, pick one up and try it. I really like the kiwi star fruit and the watermelon one. Those ones are bomb. Now getting into the makeup, which I know you guys are all here for. So the first thing that I have here is a moisturizer, and I have been obsessed with this moisturizer. It's a good alternative to the Tatcha one that I love. It's like, the Tatcha one is a silk cream. So good. I've talked about that one in a previous favorites, but this one is a lot more affordable. And what's great about it is actually has a refillable insert, so you don't have to buy the whole packaging, so it'll be cheaper to repurchase, and you just put it in. You can see how much I've already used. I use this every single morning. It goes beautifully underneath my makeup. It's a nice gel consistency that just sits so well and is hydrating and doesn't make your makeup like slip and slide all around. It is perfect. So I think if you have oily, normal combination skin, dry, I think you will all love this. I think it will work for any skin type. It is bomb. For an eye cream that I use every morning since I got it, this one is amazing. This is from U Beauty. It's called the Return Eye Concentrate. I really, really like this stuff. I think it's very nice and hydrating. It goes really well underneath makeup. It doesn't make my concealer crease or anything like that. I use this one every single morning. I've been using the new one from Drunk Elephant at night that has a retinol in it, and this is the one I use for the morning time, and I really, really love it. It has been amazing, and I definitely have noticed like my under eyes, like since I've been really staying up to date on my skincare, you guys, it's a world of difference when you're being consistent with it. And I've seen a huge difference in my skin, the way my foundation's applying, and just the way it looks like without makeup too is amazing. So I've been absolutely loving this. Okay, so next up, we're gonna go into a sunscreen because I put on sunscreen every single morning, especially now that I am out doing pickleball. I'm like, oh my God, I have got to protect my skin from the sun because I'm definitely getting like some pretty gnarly tan lines. Like right now I'm self-tan, so you're not gonna see the difference, but it's actually like stark white right here and I'm tan right here. So I'm getting really tan. I just really wanna help protect my skin from the sun. So I'm also very, very like aware of my face. So I've been using this one that I got from Dermalogica, and oh my God, I am in love with it. This is the Dermalogica Porescreen SPF 50. It's a blurring and a hint of tint mineral sunscreen. This stuff is awesome. It definitely is blurring. It goes perfectly underneath my makeup. It doesn't make my face feel greasy, so it's not making everything slip and slide. I've been using it nonstop since I got it, like literally every single morning I've been using it, and it's not making me break out, which is awesome, and it's protecting my skin. So I really, really have been enjoying this guy, and I also really like the pump to it too. It's just awesome, great packaging, and it's something that's small enough too to fit into your makeup bag and not like take up all the space. So Dermalogica definitely killed it with this one. Okay, so now for foundation. So you guys know I am obsessed with the YSL All Hour Stick Foundation that they discontinued. I am so sad they discontinued that one. I use that one still all the time, but I'm nearly almost out of all my sticks that I have because they sent me a bunch of shades. And I've been like going through all of them and it's making me so sad, but I love them. But it reminded me that I'm like, wait a second, I know that they came out with an All Hours liquid foundation and they sent me over 3 shades. So I have 5, 6, and 7. So I used mainly 5 and 6. And these are so good too. So these also have a sunscreen in them of SPF 30. And it's a great foundation. What I really like about it is it says it's a luminous matte foundation, and it definitely is a luminous matte foundation. Like, I don't get too oily with it, which is great. So it definitely stays on all day, but it doesn't make my face feel too dry either, which is awesome. So I'm telling you, like, they killed it with this one, and I really wish they kept it in the stick. It would be really cool. What they did is they brought this one back in the stick, but they made it fat like the Tom Ford one, and you get more product with it. I think that would be amazing. but since I'm running out of the stick one, I'm like, had to pull out the liquid, gave the liquid a shot, and I've been loving it too, and it definitely will go a lot longer way than the stick. I just really like this stick because it's less messy and it's faster to apply. Like I literally just go boom, 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 and then I spread it. I get ready way more faster now, which is awesome. But again, loving these ones. It's awesome. It literally blurs out your face. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous for all day, gorgeous for nighttime. And it stays on all day too. So I've been really enjoying these ones as well. Next up, I have a new product that came out from IT Cosmetics a while ago, and I've been using it nonstop since I got it. And oh my God, I love it. It's like now embedded into my routine. So this is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Dark Spots Corrector and Serum. It has a 2% niacinamide in it, and it's just really, really good. The shade that I use is Medium Neutral 33. It's not supposed to be a brightener or anything. It's literally the color of my skin when I self-tan with my foundations, and and the serum in it just feels so good. It's not greasy. It doesn't make things slip and slide. It gives me a little bit extra coverage underneath the eyes. I also, if I have any like dark spots or anything that I want to cover up, like after a blemish or something that went away, I use this, and it is bomb. I really like it. For underneath my eyes, I actually use the brush now to blend it out, but this product has been awesome. So I would love to see them come out with something like this, maybe for all over the face. I think that would be really cool. But so far, I really like the formula of this. It goes beautifully underneath my eyes, covers up everything great. They did an awesome job with this one. Okay, so I don't have any concealers because I still been using my Hourglass one like crazy. That one's still my favorite. But after I do concealer, I like to go in with a bronzer, and I love cream bronzer, and I've been loving the Rare Beauty one, you guys. Oh my God, this thing is amazing. It's the bronzer stick in Bright Side. It is just the perfect shade. I picked this up during the Sephora sale, and it's just so freaking good. I love how it blends out nicely. It doesn't like get patchy or anything on you, and I can easily place it in different areas. It's just a really, really good product. I love what she did with this, and I love the formula of this. So if you're looking for a bronzer stick to try out, I would definitely recommend trying this one out. I like it a lot better than the Charlotte Tilbury like liquid one that everyone uses, because that one can get like too much product can come out of that one, and it can get really messy really fast. So I like it that you have a lot more control of product with this guy right here. So I definitely recommend him. Okay, so for blushes, you guys, this one that I got from Merit, they sent this one to me. It's the Stockholm one, and it's their Flush Balm. But this color is so beautiful. Oh my God, I can just see it. It's starting to go away. Like I use this so much. The way that I use this is I actually use my brush, and I like brush it on it, and then I put it on my face instead of swiping it. I feel like it works a lot better doing it that way, and I love the pink color. I think it's the perfect pink. It's like a really pretty petal pink for, springtime, summertime, and I am just loving it, and it stays on really well. It applies really well. It's pigmented. It looks beautiful. And I am just obsessed. I want to try out more products from Merit. Okay, so I know everyone is raving about these babies. I talked all about these also in my Sephora recommendations video for the sale, and these are just awesome. I love these lip liners. These are from Too Faced. It's their Lip Injection Extreme Lip Shaper. These are intense, so if you can't handle lip plumpers, do not get these. They'll be way too intense for you. I would recommend the Buxom Lip Plumper lip liners, because those ones you don't feel those at all. It just literally is like a lip liner, and they glide on. They're pigmented. They're beautiful. I love the Buxom ones. But these ones I've been really, really loving. I really see that they do make your lips pouty. Like, oh my gosh, they definitely plump them up. They do such a great job. My favorite shades from these ones are Puffy Nude and Post-Op Pink. I think it's so gorgeous. Let me show you what Post-Op Pink looks like on my hand. And I like the way that you don't have to like sharpen it either. You just click it. But you can see Post-Op Pink is right there. And then this one is Puffy Nude. But they are just so beautiful. Let's get that to focus. Really, really pretty shades. Perfect for every day. They're just like your lip color, but better, which I love. And then I like to go in with a little bit lighter of a lipstick. So I've been using a lot of MAC Cosmetics Creme de Nude, which I talked about in previous videos. If I don't do that, I'll go in with a lip plumper like gloss right here, which is also my favorite for this month. This is one that I got during the sale as well, and this is from Makeup by Mario. And it's the plumping lip color. This color is in soft blush. It is so beautiful. It gives your lips just a really pretty like shiny finish. I don't really feel any plumper from it, but it literally makes your lips look luscious because of that like high shine finish that you get. They're pigmented, they're opaque, they're comfortable. It's just awesome. I also thought these were going to be a lot bigger when I ordered it, and then I saw it in person. I was like, oh, these are a lot smaller, but I like that because it fits in my clutch really nicely. Like if I'm going out to dinner, like with Ross or something, or going out at night and I'm like, okay, I want a lip color, this is awesome because it fits in those clutches, because otherwise you can't fit anything in them. So I prefer smaller products for that, for like reapplying and stuff. But these are awesome. Definitely I want to try out more shades for them because I love the formula, how comfortable wearing it is and how hydrating it is, and they're just beautiful. All right, so that is everything that I am loving right now, you guys. I wanted to like catch up with this. Next month we'll probably do it for the end of the month for June for my favorites, and I'm gonna get things a little bit more organized in that sense. But these are products I've been loving. I'm sharing them with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below, what are the products that you've been loving, like skincare, makeup. I would love to hear from you guys. I love getting recommendations from you guys. Also, go chat with me over on Bunches. I love talking with you guys over there about new products as well, and I share all my new videos over there too. I will have the link down below for Bunches for you guys, but definitely get on it. I love that app so much. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video next Saturday. Bye.